Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit 3D photo in Capcut. The first thing you should do is you have to open your Capcut and then you need to create new project and import your photo that you want to edit to your project. And then after that, you can click on the photo like this and you have to choose style. Alright, click on it and then there will be a lot of options for you, and if you want to put 3D style or 3D effect, I suggest you to choose this style. You can choose the style 3D zoom photo and just click on it, and this is the style that you can use. And after you choose the style of or the effect that you want to put on your photo, you can click on this check mark. Alright, and let's check it together. Okay guys, that's all the tutorial from me. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.